Hi and welcome. Thank you for joining us. This is Kathy Barzal with DiTommaso Real Estate, and I'm joined again by Jennifer Daly of Roundpoint Mortgage. Thank you again for joining us, Jen.
My pleasure.
And we're dealing with a lot of millennials buying in this market right now, and student loan debt comes up a lot.
A lot.
And people think, like, because I have student loan debt, that I can't apply for a mortgage, or maybe my student loan debt is deferred, so I'm good. So
Right.
can we kind of shed some light on that for us?
Yes, absolutely. And a lot that comes up is more on the my loan is deferred, it shouldn't count on my debt ratio side. It does. It's expected debt. The bank knows it's coming. It's on your credit report. We have to factor it in your pre-approval, okay? So there's one of two ways to do it. If you are deferred, there usually is not a payment showing up on the credit report. So we have to find out a payment. So we'll ask our client, hey, maybe you could call whoever it is and ask them what the expected payment is.
Okay.
If they can't do that, sometimes we do have the ability to, depending on what loan product we're using, either hit that whole amount with a 0.5% or 1% of the amount, and that provides us a payment. And from there, we're able to determine what they qualify for.
Awesome.
So that is a misnomer. People think it all the time. Also, it does play in a role with, I can't get a mortgage because I have student loans. That's not true. If you qualify, whatever debt you carry, that's all that you need to determine. So a car payment could be less than the student loan or vice versa. It's still debt, and we still have to look at it as debt and whether or not you are going to qualify for it.
Awesome.
Another case is a lot of parents, to help their children, sign up for that debt. And really, at the end of the day, if they're paying for 12 months, let's say the student graduated, they have a job now, they're making payments on their own for 12 months, and there's no assistance from the parent within that bank account, we can actually offset that debt for the parent, maybe who wants to go to Florida now. So that's something that we can do, but it has to be consistent, 12 months making their own payment.
Right.
Okay, so it's not debilitating to have student debt. Obviously, you did it for a reason, to get an education. But there are ways that we can work with it to make sure that it qualifies.
Yeah, and I think that's really, it's so important to know if you have student loan debt, like where do you stand? And yes, you can buy a house. Or what if I co-sign?
Right,
so
a co-borrower. Those are the things.
Right, those are things that come up, and people think that automatically, well, I can't buy. But no, you can. It just takes another step. So again, if you have any questions on student loan debt, getting a mortgage, looking to buy, sell, if you have any of those questions on the financial end, give Jennifer a call. She'll be happy to help you. And when we're ready to go out shopping, you know where to find me. Thanks so much for joining us today. Have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone.